Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is May 29th, 2025, and we're diving into Kohl's first quarter fiscal 2025 earnings report. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure to discuss Kohl's performance today, especially given the current retail landscape.
Absolutely. Kohl's has been a staple in the retail sector, and with over 1,100 stores, their performance is always a topic of interest. Let's get into the details of their latest earnings report. Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Kohl's reported net sales of $3 billion for the first quarter, which is a 4.1% decrease year over year. John, can you elaborate on this?
Certainly. The decrease in net sales is reflective of the challenging retail environment. However, it's important to note that while sales were down, Kohl's managed to improve their gross margin by 37 basis points to 39.9%. This indicates better cost management and pricing strategies.
That's a good point. And what about their operating income?
Operating income increased to $60 million from $43 million in the previous year, which is a positive sign. This improvement is largely due to a reduction in SG&A expenses, which decreased by 5.2% year over year.
EPS and analyst expectations. Now let's talk about earnings per share. Kohl's reported a diluted loss per share of 13 cents, which is better than the analyst forecast of minus 22 cents. John, what does this tell us?
This is indeed a positive surprise. The reported EPS beat the forecast by 9 cents, which suggests that Kohl's is managing its bottom line more effectively than expected. The net loss of $15 million is also an improvement from the $27 million loss in the prior year.
So, despite the sales decline, Kohl's is showing some resilience in its earnings performance.
Exactly. The better-than-expected EPS indicates that the company is taking effective measures to control costs and improve profitability, even in a tough market.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, let's discuss operational efficiencies. Kohl's SG&A expenses decreased by $5.2 billion. How significant is this?
This reduction is quite significant, as it shows Kohl's commitment to streamlining operations and reducing overhead costs. It's a crucial factor in improving their operating income and overall financial health.
And what about their cash flow and inventory levels?
Operating cash flow was a use of $92 million, which is a concern, but not uncommon in the retail sector. Inventory levels increased by 2%, which could be a strategic move to prepare for future demand. Looking ahead, Kohl's has affirmed its full-year EPS guidance of 10 to 60 cents, indicating cautious optimism.
CEO's perspective and strategic initiatives. Michael Bender, Kohl's Interim CEO, has shared some insights. What are the key takeaways from his statements?
Michael Bender emphasized the company's focus on delivering great products, value, and shopping experiences. He acknowledged the progress made and the motivation of the team to continue building on this momentum. It's clear that Kohl's is committed to leveraging its strong foundation to drive future growth.
It sounds like leadership is confident in their strategic direction.
Indeed, Bender's statements reflect a positive outlook and a commitment to enhancing customer satisfaction and operational efficiency.
Key takeaways. As we wrap up, Kohl's first quarter results show a mixed performance with a decline in sales, but improvements in profitability and cost management. John, any final thoughts on Kohl's investment prospects?
Kohl's has demonstrated resilience in a challenging market, with better-than-expected EPS and improved margins. While there are challenges ahead, their strategic focus and operational efficiencies position them well for future growth.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Kohl's performance in the comments below.